The man charged with first-degree murder in an October stabbing in Hannibal was back in court today. 27-year-old Gabriel Suarez from Kansas was taken into custody in mid-October on North 6th Street. In addition to first-degree murder, he is also facing felony charges of armed criminal action and first-degree domestic assault causing a serious physical injury. Suarez was arrested after Emily Traynor was found dead in her apartment in Hannibal on October 13th last year. He will be back in court on February 6th.